Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about the capital marketing. The market where investment instruments like a bonds, equities and the mortgage are traded in the known as the capital market. The primal role of this market is to make investment from the investor who have surplus funds to the one who are running it deflates. The original capital marketing offered both long-term and the overnight funds. The different types of the financial instrument that are the traded into capital marketing are equity instruments, credit marketing instruments, insurance instruments, foreign exchange instrument, hybrid instruments, and the derivative instruments. Nature of the capital marketing is nature of the brought out of the following facts. It has two segments. It deals in the long-term securities. It performs trade of the functions. It creates dispersion in the business ownership. It help in the capital formation. It help in the creating liquidity. Types of the capital marketing is the primary market and the secondary market. Primary market is the which share debentures and the securities are sold for the first time for the collecting long-term capitals. This market is concerned with the new issues. Therefore, the primary market is also called as the new issues markets. In the market that follow of the fund is the more saver to borrowers like industries, and it helps directly in the capital formation of the countries. The money collected from this market is generally used by the companies to the modernize the plant machinery building or the extending business for the setting up new business units. Feature of the primary market is related with new issues. It has no particular places. It has various methods of the float capital. Following for the methods are public issue, offer for the sale, private placement, right issue, electronic initial public offer. It comes before the secondary markets. Secondary markets is second market in the which buying the selling for the previously issued securities. The transaction of the secondary market are generally done through the medium of the stock exchanges. The chief purpose of the secondary market is to create liquidity in the securities. If an individual has bought some security and he now wants to sell it, he can do through the medium of the stock exchange. To sell or purchase through the medium of the stock exchange requires the services of the broker. Presently, there are 24 stock exchange in the India. Features of the secondary markets are it creates liquidity, it comes after primary market, it has a particular place, encourage new investment. Capital market in this is the investment in the long-term financial instrument is accompanied by the high capital market risk. Since there are two types of capital market, the stock market and the bond market. So risks are present in the both the markets. Risk in the stock market is stock prices keep fluctuating over a wide range, unlike the black bank deposits or a government bonds. The efficient market hypothesis shows the effect of fundamental factors the changing the price of the stock market. The effect market of hypothesis shows that the all price movements are random, whereas there are plenty of the studies that reflect the fact that there is a specific trend in the stock market price over a period of the time. Research has shown that there are certain physiological factors that shape that stock market prices. Sometimes the market behaves logically to any economics news. The stock market prices can be diverted in any direction in the response to press, release, rumors, and the most panic. The stock market price are also subject to the speculation. In the short run, to the stock market price may be volatile due to the occurrence of the fast market changing and the events. Risk in the bond market is the capital market. Risk in the bond market arise due to the interest rate change. There is an inverse relationship existing between interest rate and the price of the bond, as the bond prices are sensitive to the monetary policy of the country as well as the economic changes. Indian capital market is the oldest capital market of the Asia, involved in around 200 years ago. Chronologically, the Indian capital market is the 80-30 trade of the corporate shares and the stock in the bank and the cotton presses in the Bombay. In 1815, sharp increasing in the capital market brokers owing of the capital development of the commercial enterprises. In 1860 to 61, outbreak of the American Civil War, share mania in the India. In 1894, formation of the Hammond shares in the Stockbrokers Association. 1908, formation of the Calcutta Stock Exchange Association. The pattern of the growth in the Indian capital market is the post-independence regime can analyze from the following graphs. From the witness from the Shah price threatened till 1995 and capital market report is prepared by the capital market analysts of the various type, which is 10K reports, 10Q reports, Form 8K reports, the proxy statements. So capital market is investment, the bond market, the financial market where participation and investors individual attract to the bond market and making investment through the bonds and the funds close and the another way to investing directly by the bond issues and the exchange trading funds. The capital market investment in the bond market is done by the institutional investor, government trades and the individuals. So this is all about the capital marketing. Thank you.